Tina is the first ethical merchandiser in Jordan and the Middle East. We started as a social enterprise working with refugee women and women in the host community in Jordan to produce ethical and sustainable promotional materials such as tote bags. In the 75th anniversary of the Fulbright program, Fulbright Jordan reached out to collaborate on an upcycling workshop. We were working with them to upcycle old Fulbright items and make them new items. We're working today to make these items in new products, which we are together. We're donating these items to Ahd Group, which is a volunteers group working with refugees in Jordan. We donated the new t-shirts made of old t-shirts for children.
Today it was an extra special as a Fulbright alumni because I worked previously with Tina before 2 years ago. We give her a grant to her in order to employ and train the Jordanian and Syrian refugees in the northern region.
Today's workshop was, really in the honor and legacy of William J. Fulbright, surrounding, I think, inclusion and empowerment of local communities and cultural exchange. It was so nice for me as an American Fulbrighter, having come to Jordan, now being here for several years, to get to know many of the Jordanian Fulbrighters who have, left the United States in the past. With Tina, it was, really nice for us to kind of celebrate those core values that we as Fulbrighters around the world hold so dear, of inclusion and supporting local communities as well as each other across, borders and cultures and languages.
We had a very nice experience today with Tina. We did some upcycling with old Fulbright products. We made some laptop special sleeves, and we did some eco-friendly printing. It was very interesting to know how this project is benefiting Syrian families and Jordanian families, and how empowering a woman could empower a whole family, then empower a whole society.